Hello, hello. Good morning, my friends. Good morning. Old Gamins here. 81 years old playing games. I hope you are doing good, my friends. Let's go. Da dun da dun da. La dun la. Hello, my friends. Good morning. Did you sleep well? Cartouche. Forgotten arts. Forgotten arts. What kind of nicknames you are using, guys, in Apex Legends? Funny or your real names or personalized name? All right, first game of the day. Hopefully, oh, we have an Octane. Let's see if he's gonna carry us or troll us. Lately, all my Octane teammates are so fucking funny, man. They are trolling. They are so funny.
Either you fight with me and we win, or you fight with someone else. And
Really funny.
This is your champion.
I'm gonna make this world bleed.
Guess I'm the jump master. It would fall to me eventually. Desperation.
Wasn't that illuminating?
All right. Where should we go? Where should we go? I would say let's go here.
We go, mates. Let's get messy.
Nobody comes here. We're good.
Enemy over there. Just waiting. Yeah, bring the party.
I'll be there.
Exploring that area, mates. If you need me, holler.
Man, this guy's not leaving. If you don't leave, I will leave. He's following me. He's not.
Love me an LMG.
I located the next ring. Nah.
First blood. If you can't handle the heat, stay out of the fire pit.
Ba-da-ba-bum, ba-da-bum. Who wants to play
Could have something
this
good
one?
here. RE4 found an extended energy
Yeah.
ammo here.
Take it, brother. I'll go with Spitfire. And stop fighting.
Enhanced. Ah, now that's a beaut. Putting up some amped cover. Enemy's shield broke. Damaged one. Wicked. Got me an upgrade, mates. Still leveled up.
Idiot died.
Backing up my cover. Upgraded and ready to
He
take
died.
enemy
What
down.
the fuck?
Class.
Where?
This is so stupid. Somewhere here.
Enemy spotted.
There's a Pratt team. You gotta be careful. He is far away from us.
Yeah,
Sorry,
yeah.
sorry, I didn't
Cover for you,
notice.
mates.
I'm coming.
One
Try
man
make
over
sure.
there.
Yes, yes,
covered.
yes.
Ourselves inside the next ring. How serendipitous.
Are you guys lagging? What the heck?
Yeah.
Placing an independent variable. Taking fire.
How's it? Why are you there? Yeah, two teams.
Sorry, sorry. I didn't notice. I'm coming.
Down one.
Enemy OT.
I have shattered a subject's shield.
Are they low? Are they
Another
low?
enemy down.
Ooh, that's gonna kill.
Hey, Octane. Please.
Come, come, come.
They're resing. They're resing. I'm gonna res you too. I'm gonna res you too.
Come on,
Oh,
compadre,
thank-
get up. Come on, come on, come on.
Hold me, please.
Are they raising?
Yeah, yeah. I added a few
No.
more important.
Oh.
No, only one res, guys. Only one.
Thermite out.
Okay, one is knocked, one is cracked. One knocked, one cracked.
I'm cover for
One is
Yo,
down.
Tiiroj. Res, res, res. Res, res, res. Yeah, res, res.
charging my shields. Now you good? Up
Adding
and at 'em.
another gas trap. Take a deep breath. Getting shot at.
Ping, ping, ping.
Alright.
Bye bye.
Nice!
That was the last one in the squad.
Remarkable kill. The vision is clear.
Reload. Okay, this team here.
Fool spotted.
Another squad, another squad, another
Octane
squad.
out.
Yeah, I told you.
Frag out. Getting shot at. Grenade, watch it.
They're getting shot, I guess. Oh my god. Back up, back up, back up, back up.
Okay, wait, we got kill points. Let's be a little more passive.
Trap set. And waiting.
I have an extra medkit for you.
Medget here. Batty. I'm cover for you, mates.
You're not good here. Got bad here.
Getting damage. Right, getting my
Back
cover
up, back
out
up,
of
back up. I don't like that place.
here. Putting up some amped cover.
Yeah.
Found him.
Enemy taken down. I've tinkered my way to max level. Reloading. Got me a new upgrade. Can't wait to give it a spin.
Man, this weapon hits
You're a
hard.
good shot.
What do you say?
Gas trap up. We're being attacked by 2 different squads.
Where? Kausik.
After shot
Oh, fuck.
down. Probably one of
Bro,
the
you have to
enemies
speak.
on the feed.
I'm sorry, it was behind.
And then there were 2. Keep on pushing, compadre.
Tossing up some amped cover. Charging my shield.
Gotta speak, my friend.
I'm getting your banner.
Got the banner. Should head to the beacon.
Let's get a banner.
Cover for you, mates.
They're gonna push us.
Come to me, come to me.
Need up here.
Charging shields. Come on, come on.
Backing up my cover.
Oh my god!
Give me a sec. Healing.
What is happening, dude?
Sorry, I didn't know.
It's a full team, right?
Amped cover's getting backed up. 1 minute and the ring's close. Huh. Sometimes things just work out.
Why did you die?
Got our mate's banner. Ring's pretty close. so I'm not dripping just yet.
Leave me alone! I'm friendly!
Rings nearby, and I got 30 seconds on the clock. Easy.
Good, 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 good.
Come on, guys, move your ass!
10 more seconds.
Nice.
Rings close. Get more of the
Nice.
apple core.
We need to move on, Papa.
Rings closing.
Or
Yeah.
It's as much as the next guy, but we gotta go. That was enlightening. Whoa! What a rush!
Come get the sniper if you want.
Sniper arsenal here.
We're gonna do
Broke the
good with
north and south before he
Rampart
knows where you're
Qs.
shooting from. Either a care package is coming in or the sky's just happy to see
Weapon
me.
will yield superior results.
Shotgun bolt here. Level 3.
Got scanned and let's go now to this side, to the
You
tunnel.
could go over there. Just a thought. If I'm wrong, you can kill me.
Go, go, go!
Let's attack here. Shield cell here. Amped cover for you, mates. Enemy shield broke. Backing up my cover.
Placing an independent variable.
Yeah, leave your farts there, everywhere. We'll need them. I wanna pick this fight, man. Let's fight from here.
Keeping watch here. If they sneak up on us, it ain't my fault.
There's a replicator coming in.
Putting up some amped cover.
Variable.
1 minute. Rings close. Plenty of time to jam. Frag out. Reloading.
Huge damage, huge damage. Meg is low, one shot. Okay, run away.
Care package over there. Let's get on that. Variable.
Charging my shields.
Under us, under us.
Right here.
Oh, that hurt!
10 seconds. Rings close. We got this.
Charging on my shields.
Enemy's shield. Getting attacked by another squad.
Down me.
Enemy
Pink,
taking
pink, pink.
Got a kick. Come on, compadre. Get up.
come.
We just
Oh no.
Oh my god.
Come.
charging up my shields.
No, I have to go, we have to go.
Just you and me.
Open the door!
Just how I like it.
Putting up some amped cover.
Careful, there's an enemy here.
Nice.
Enemy taken down. Damage. Charging my shield.
You're right.
Replicator dropping like a hawk. This one's free. Remember that.
Come on!
Yeah, nice try.
Can't believe I'm standing still.
GG's.
You're lucky I like you.
Bro. I knew they were coming. Where are you going? GG.
Amp here. Power booster. I need light ammo.
I need light ammo. Yeah, and he has 300.
Care package over there. Let's get on that. Yeah.
Dude, I love Octanes, I swear. It's crazy funny, man.
Evac tower over here.
Got an amp here. Over armor. Over there looks fun.
La da la da la da la da la da la.
Get there. I hear you. Enemy spotted over there.
Ram paracetamol. Hello, my friends. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning. Hello, good sir. Hello, how are you?
Ooh, we have a peanut spectator.
Who is Peanut?
You know it very well.
I don't know who is he and I don't care.
Ba-da-bam, bam, ba-dam, bam.
Today's a good day to cheat death.
Don't you worry about me. Rampart can handle herself.
Do not falter. The weak will be excised.
Introducing your champion.
Oh, wasn't this Octane my friend? I think he was. Go, go, go! Alright. We're here?
This ain't too bad of a
intelligent
spot.
fighter would land
And if we
there.
die, blame on me.
Follow
Yep.
me to victory.
Bring the party!
Let us see, let us see.
Heavy arsenal here. It could be of
Wait a second.
Oh, people coming with you.
Watch it. Bandit landed near me.
not so fast.
85 high. I'm down.
I shattered an enemy's shield. Attention.
Cracked an enemy's shield. Took down an enemy.
I've been down. Unacceptable.
Flames are shooting at me. I cracked an enemy's shield.
Come here, motherfucker!
Enemy on me.
Ah, no, get!
Enemy's shield broken.
Looks like I pulled a fast one on you.
Nice try.
No, man, I had the sniper. How come he had the shield? He didn't charge his shield. How could it be? Does Octane get shield while he's low, or what is the issue?
He
gets
gets
it on
Controllers get shield over time
What the
while
heck?
they're in the what?
I didn't know that. He was 1 HP and I punched him, his armor broke. Like so strange.
I don't know.
Really, man? He was 1 HP with no shield.
Prowler SMG here.
Movement in progress.
All right. Next match. Her yerde sen varsın. Yarınların ardından döndürürsen kalırsın bir başında. Yanıyor yüreğim.
Whenever he is.
All right, let's shine so bright we blind them. Ha ha.
Introducing your champion.
When you see me, you'll know it's the end. Or a new beginning. That's all relative, really.
Good morning, my friends.
Oh, I gotta say, you really know how to put a smile on my face.
Here, pals.
Daily good.
Specialities. Wait, let's head back. Hold up, Merisher.
Hold up, Merisher. I don't know what she says, Merisher.
We could go over there. Just
Share
across.
in Kurdish
Wrong,
means
kill me.
Merisher, like bear? I don't know.
Looking real pretty now.
La 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 la. Da 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 da. Da 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 da.
1 minute. Rings close. Plenty of time to jam.
Ooh. Love it.
Rings closing in 45. It's close. We can go now or kill here. Whatever. I'm pumped.
Evo harvesters are now available.
Rings closing in 30. It ain't far. If you're scared, well, too late.
We need battery. Do you need batteries?
With a shield battery here.
I need it.
There is one more in the car.
Attention. There is a new kill leader.
Right, 10 seconds. Rings nearby. Get that blood pumping.
Watch my back, pal. There's a new kill leader out there.
Medkit here.
Thank you.
Warning.
I'll add it to your tab.
Rings moving, brothers. Keep the hustle.
All right,
We got a
I'm gonna
recon
scan and fly. Let's go here.
We've got an Evo harvester here.
Pick me up deployed.
Meet me here, mates.
Extra supplies here. Got along. Back here. Go.
Got a fix on the next ring. Check your map. right, mates. Let's regroup. Hey, let's check out over there, mates.
Deers, eyes to the skies. A care package.
Ha! I'm upgraded and better than ever.
Kill leader appointed.
New kill leader. That they use a
Care package
rampart for
over
them
there.
shots.
Nice. Are you guys playing solo or
This way.
you friends?
Enemy rather close.
Sure. Fancy going this way.
I need some optics for a marksman.
Putting up some amped cover.
In the open?
Got a pass over there.
One's down.
Enemy.
Behind you.
Reloading.
Behind where? Here?
Eyes here.
Target over there.
Putting up some amped
Are you
cover.
safe?
Care package over there.
He's got res.
Tossing Octa.
Killed a hooligan.
They res Horizon here.
Blomka's been there.
They were here.
Care package over there.
Jump pad here.
Probably here.
Just watching here for a sec, mates.
Yep.
There's an enemy. Getting shot at.
Here.
Enemy here. I'm close to the freaking base. Killed a Blomka.
Now you die.
Kill. Just brilliant. Ultimate accelerant here.
I think I hear an enemy that way. Contact.
We picked me up.
Signaling an airstrike.
Way.
One more team.
This way, mates. Enemy shot low.
Charging my shields. Got an agent here. We've got another squad on.
Enemy shield broke.
One is down here.
There's one.
Need your help.
He's low.
There were so many teams, man. So many teams. Oh, I was getting shot by other team as well. Sniper.
Right here.
We were fighting with different teams. Oh, that sucks.
Let's relocate there.
All right, nice try.
Breathe easy. Watch your side and never quit.
Nap, built some guns, stole leftovers from Witt's fridge. Made
Good morning,
that
guys.
stop.
Yeah, good morning.
Only way to stay free.
You guys playing solo or friends?
Introduce
What?
your champion.
Sorry, what did you say?
No, I was asking if you are playing solo or with your friend.
Nah, solo man.
Don't have friends.
I'm the jump
Me
master.
neither.
Could be worse. Could be someone else. All right, mates.
Land
We
here.
can try here. Or
Unless
die
you
somewhere
don't want
else.
to survive this.
Bring the fire. Let's show these fools why their parents never loved them.
I think team is landing with us. Let's stay
Going for
together.
wingman.
But they might land on you. Careful.
Close your eyes. Enemy landed nearby. Enemy shield broke.
Yeah, they're dying.
Ha! Punch it.
Idiot.
Reloading.
I don't know why, but the game pushed me off the
Yes.
I got no ammo, man.
weapon.
First blood's ours.
They got
Uh,
nice shot though.
one is on you, on the building. Careful.
Oh, outside. Fuck. Okay.
I told you, man. Leave, bro, leave.
The wrong person.
They sandwiched me from behind and from left side.
Yeah. Good also sandwich.
Man, that GB was crazy.
Attention. Evo harvesters are online.
Got an upgrade, brothers. Target spotted.
Hostile over there. Evo harvester here.
Hello, hello, when I stay. Don't be letting down. I don't.
Don't you worry about me.
Hello, my friends. Good morning.
I am with you, and you are with me. And today, we fight.
Prepared and ready.
We are playing so bad today.
I'm either with you or you're done. Pow.
Pow.
Right. I'm the governor. Time to cause some mischief.
Where do you want to land? Let's go here.
This looks like a good place for a funeral. Here we go, mates. Let's get messy. Sniper arsenal here. Hit a bloke in the north and south before
Nobody
he knows where you're
comes.
shooting from.
All ours.
No, 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 no.
Did you disconnect?
Enhanced a weapon.
Yep.
Not bad work for a field.
Lagging.
Now, we hunt.
Apex Legends.
Oh, fuck.
Goodbye.
Here we go. Don't be afraid to fight. I won't tell.
Can you rest her here? I'll
Yo,
get the
respawn
banner.
beacon there.
Round
On view.
1. Beginning ring countdown.
Yeah, don't sweat it. I saved the day. Got their banner.
We are inside the ring.
good faith.
Champion eliminated.
There goes the champion. Oh, I hardly knew you.
We are ready.
Death box here.
Found an extended
Thank you.
energy mag. Level 3.
No worries, but don't die again, okay?
I will not.
Ooh.
Enhance my weapon.
Enhance my weapon. Who needs this?
Got an amp here. Infinite ammo.
Hello, my friends. Welcome to my stream. Please don't forget to like the stream. Thank you, thank you. Let's go to the left side.
Regroup to that area and
Can we
don't
trade
dawdle.
attachment?
Don't dawdle day.
Attachments?
Yeah. I mean, power up.
Yeah. No worries.
You take infinite ammo.
Got this weapon enhanced. Good.
I'll get the harvester.
Care package being delivered.
Care package on high.
I'm also lagging, man.
The gods.
They are fighting in the city.
Other squads have been there. I can
Drop me
smell the
first,
desperation.
Power up.
What?
Drop meters. I need first gun, thank you.
Ah, thanks, Yar.
Alright. They're fighting here.
Some plonkers have been there. They could have at least tidied up. No respect.
Can you scan this enemies?
Where?
Bloodhounds.
Oh, this.
Hey, this way sound good.
Come on, man.
Enemy over there. Tossing up some amped cover. Feeling upgraded and ready to take on the world. Backing up my cover.
Oh, they know we are here.
Yeah.
Medkit here. Amped cover for you, mate.
Quick one.
Right, getting my cover out of here. Thermite out. Arc star out.
We can push.
Careful.
10 seconds for scan. One trick.
We're on that guy.
Punching a tunnel.
An enemy's shield. Reloading.
Ash is crack.
Play slow.
Charging my shields.
Nice.
I'm going to the left,
Right, getting my cover out of here.
I talk an enemy's life.
Where you running, bitch?
It's an enemy. Didn't even have to take off my jacket.
Survey beacon over there.
Loba just run away. She might be close, somewhere here.
Watching over there.
I'll
Half the
scan.
squad's left. Better Better put on your dancing shoes. We're headed to a funeral.
Enhance my weapon.
Ha! We've got a new kill leader. I love this. Octi, let's go.
Yeah, Loba went to the right side. Pretty loot.
Black market here. I dig a good small biz.
She
Can you take
rest.
this?
Guys, this guy's not gonna come.
Got one here. Looks scared.
Loba and the guy who killed. She's gonna come here.
Keeping one eye on this spot and another eye on you. Can't be too prepared.
Attention. Delivering replicator.
Replicator coming down.
I'm so sure.
Patching myself up.
Maybe not. Let's try to go here.
Hey, mates. Let's go, D.
I need heavy ammo. 1 minute remains. The ring is close.
I'll scan zone again,
Hey, mates. Ring console OT.
and then we can fly with the jump tower.
Survey beacon over there.
45 seconds. Ring ain't far at all. Move it or lose it. Pine's on you. Move that way, mates.
Please, guys, don't forget to like the stream. Thank you so much. Wow, nobody's here. Crazy.
Take jump tower.
No, we don't need. I mean, we're close.
Got it.
If you want to take it, take it.
Punching a tunnel.
Extended light mag here. Level 2.
Care package being delivered.
I want to stay here in the high ground
Care
with the
package
sniper.
coming in.
They scan the door.
Tossing up some amp cover.
Oh my god.
Shield broke.
I'm
See that?
cooking, I'm
Just hit
cooking.
an enemy. What an
I need heavy ammo.
Where did they go?
Watching over there.
Shield cell here. Shield cell here.
They might be coming. Be careful,
Watching that
Clubsy.
spot.
I don't see them. They're probably coming.
I have enhanced my weapon.
Beginning ring countdown.
Hey, not all of us are in the ring. Hurry up. And don't forget to wipe.
Where are they?
Contact with hostile.
Attention.
Opening fire.
Delivering replicator.
Our replicator descends.
GB was there?
Enemy spotted.
You say there's someone here?
Move that way, mates.
Yeah. Someone there,
Let's
someone.
that way.
I saw a GB.
Enemy over there.
Enhance my weapon.
Oh fuck. Wiggle, 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 wiggle.
Taking some damage.
Thunderous, I think.
I think it better went right.
There are Scotty to be found in this direction.
Huge grenade, huge grenade. No hit.
Cracked an enemy's shield.
Yes.
Frag grenade set.
Throw a thermite.
No, it's not. They're running.
Need to recharge my
Under us, under us, under us.
Under.
Contact with target.
I'm gonna shield
don't
at
have to
them,
push, we
you
don't have
jump,
to push.
okay? I'm gonna shield at them from here,
Watching that spot.
and you jump. I will tell you when you should do that.
10 seconds for scan. Where's my scan first?
Got a care package coming in.
5 seconds. He's coming up. Maybe take him up first.
Enemies
Jump, jump, jump. Oh fuck, I died. Nice.
We need to go back up.
got me a new upgrade. Gone
Nice
ready to
shots,
give it a
man.
spin.
You're cooking, you're cooking.
Thank you, thank you.
Taking a moment to recharge my shield.
I have so many batteries if you want.
I mean, I have one if I can get one, maybe.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Got a replicator incoming.
They sound close.
Healing up. Eyes are open though.
I'm cover for you, mates. Enemy shield broken. Shooting some crossfires. Enemy taken down. Enemy OT.
He's gonna rest.
Rings close.
Frag out. Throwing thermite. Throwing thermite. Tossing Arcstar. Reload.
They're burning.
Your package over there.
Shield broke. Rings closing in 30. It ain't
Got
far.
it, man.
You scared? Well,
Goes on, goes on.
kill leader don't mean nothing.
Behind,
with
behind, behind, behind.
Our surroundings. In combat.
Crack,
Behind
crack.
where?
Hostile spotted.
This one HP.
One shot. Right.
And cover's getting backed up.
Healing up. Eyes are open though.
Right. That was the last one in the squad.
One team fighting here.
Me, I've seen it, so probably.
Contact with target.
Rings moving and we're all outside. Let's not die this
Got
way.
this weapon enhanced. Good.
Putting up some armed cover.
I'm taking fire. Taking a moment.
We have to move more further.
Let's go there.
Yeah.
Mates, check out this way. Putting up some amped cover. Ooh, spotted.
In combat. Reloading.
Enemy's shield broke.
2 other squads remain.
Okay. Eyes on that region.
Throwing thermite. Thermite. Enemy's shield broke.
Oh my god.
Enemy here. Up close and in my freaking face.
We have the benefit.
Putting up some amped cover. Oh, what's wrong? Lacking in the winning department. Enemy's shield broke.
Taking a moment to reach at least to our enemy. Someone following. You're the kill leader.
Okay, last team. Oh my god, here.
I killed him, I killed him, I killed him.
I'm safe here.
I'll
If you
come,
can
I'll
come.
come. Yeah,
Lay low. I will assist you. Healing my wounds.
Let's go over there.
Working on
They're all split, my friends. One has Kraber, the other one has...
Kraber, yeah,
yes.
it's okay.
Now you good? Up and at 'em.
We have zone.
Kill one.
On Phoenix in 5 seconds.
Amp cover's getting backed up.
One low. Hit another. Low. One shot. Finish. Nice, good play.
GG's. They were so annoying, man.
You are the Apex champions.
Good job. I'll be back.
I've been dreaming of this moment all day. I've also been up late all day.
The ring isn't really complex, but it can be a little complicated. Wait, what'd I just say?
This is your champion.
Come on, you eggs. You wanna live forever?
Got a good feeling about this area.
Rabbit's cries bring the wolves.
Here we go. Ready up. Let's do this.
What up, my friends?
Wrong choice.
Man, taking some damage.
Who the fuck landed here? Gonna kill you.
Backing up my cover.
I'm getting hit over here.
Throwing thermite. Frag out.
Round 1. Beginning ring countdown.
Inside the next ring. Get ready for the Maza.
Yeah? Just gotta patch myself up. Hang on.
Some flunkers shooting at me.
Hostile close.
Need a weapon.
I need a weapon.
Who is this guy? Who is this guy? Oh, he's a decoy.
Harvesters are now available.
Enemy shield broken.
I need light ammo.
There is a new
Another
I
squad
need light ammo.
I'm down.
eliminated.
Throw my grenade out. Throw an arc star.
Hostile right here.
Frag out. Go out and bamboozle him. Hey, I got you. Good old dependable Mirage, who's just about the greatest friend, right?
I'm down.
Recharging shields.
Hmm.
Ugh, I'm down.
What are you doing, guys? What are you doing? Yeah, but why you going? She died, yes. She did not say I need help.
Alright.
She did not say come,
The kill's
let's push
complete.
together. He just died. He didn't even ping. He didn't care of you. Didn't say, come on, Mirage, let's go. Yeah, but we have nothing, man. We have. I said I don't have a weapon. I was speaking. Fucking brain dead. Skill issue, yeah. Are you magic? Huh? When you land, you have a weapon? That's your skill? What the fuck?
Replicator there. Might have ammo. Not that Sheila needs it.
Bro,
She
I'm not
needs
gonna
it all.
res you unless this motherfucker noob leaves the game. Yeah, leave the game. Do it for your teammate, not for me. Just leave. Mirage, I'm gonna bring you. I swear. I'm gonna catch you in my dreams and I'm gonna kill you if you res her. Okay?
Replicator there. Might have ammo. Not that Sheila needs it. She makes her own.
No, I'm really chill person, but I hate people like you. Like fucking doesn't speak, doesn't communicate, dies, and guys, you suck. Fucking shut up. You fucking noob. That's what I don't like. You said what you guys doing? We are trying to speak with you. Who's the new one, man?
Only half the squad's left. Another day, another thing's got our mate's banner. Respawn's even deployed. Give me a sec. Healing.
I just said, what are you guys doing? Nothing else. I wasn't blaming you guys. I was like surprised. What are we doing? Not speaking.
Healing up. Hold on.
Hey, thanks for calling in the big finger gun.
Season 17 master? What is that? What I have done? Why are you speaking so toxic? Do I say fucking noob teammate? has 7,000 kills and my teammates, this much matchmaking is fucking suck and brings me noobs to my teammates? No, I didn't say that. But you did.
Healing up. Hold on, hold on.
Nah, I'm good, man.
Next ring ain't close. Got a replicator coming in, mate. Healing up. Hold on.
Heads up, someone's been there.
Regroup here. Yeah.
That shows we're spread out. Passing that info along.
OT, let's go. Better step it up, mates. Rings far and closes in a minute. Healing up. Hold on.
Bamboozles for the fools. That was better in my mind.
Upgraded and ready to take them for a test run. 45 seconds. Ring ain't far at all. Move it or lose it. Healing up. Hold on, hold on. Hey, mates. Ring console OT.
Does this enhanced weapon make me look scarier? I bet it does. Bam! There goes a boozle. Big booze. Something like that. Tick-tock, 10 seconds. At least the ring's close.
Looking real pretty now.
Bam! To the... Bam! I'm running out of ideas.
Ring's moving and we're all outside. Let's not die this way. Cool?
I need help.
Play with me, man.
Attention. Delivering care package.
I bet that care package has some sweet gear for us. Send in a decoy. Okay, wait, how do I know that I'm not the decoy? Alright, this is dream within a dream stuff. This weapon is enhanced, beautiful, dangerous.
Syringe here. Tossing up some amped cover.
Bamboozles for the fools. That was better in my mind.
There's one, mate. Trapped an enemy's shield. Tossing a frag.
One sec, healing up.
Thermite out. Reloading.
How the fuck you're alive?
Bam to the woozle. Sending out a decoy.
Took down an enemy. Get shot at. That way. Healing up. Hold on.
Can you finish this guy?
Got a bad one over there.
Yeah.
Enemy OT.
Or something like that.
There was someone else here.
Eyes here. Charging my shields.
Reloading. Alright, killed an enemy.
1 minute. Rings close. Plenty of time to jam.
Optics here. Mid-range.
I'll take it.
Sending out my decoy.
45 seconds. Ring ain't
Got
far
it.
at all. Move it or lose it. Healing up. Hold on.
Let's kill this motherfucker.
cover. Donna's over there and they're healing.
One shot.
Not far from the ring. We got 30 seconds left.
Flank are shooting at me.
Come on, Mirage. You gotta be fast.
Shield broke.
No, man. We are losing time.
Attack, right here. Tossing up some amped cover.
GB is somewhere here.
Look, you'll never become a legend running around like a chicken with its head stuck where the sun don't shine. Give me a sec. Healing.
Coming.
I'm thinking my way to max level.
Go, go, go. No, man.
I'm upgraded and better than ever. I'm cover for you, mates. Hold on.
Beginning ring countdown. Attention.
Fuck. He saw us.
Replicator here.
Attack
Falling
here.
down.
You can do it. Actually, just pretend you're me. Oh, right. Get my cover out of here.
Got one spotted.
Healing.
Oh!
Full mate. Crap, I'm down.
Ult and press.
Give him my shield to recharge.
That's my jam, mate. Drinks on me.
Nice try, bro. Nice try.
Charging shield.
GG's.
Did you see how great I was? I did all kinds.
Ah, so bad, man. I thought the team on the left was far away, further far away. Ah. Her yerde kar var. Ba-da-bum, 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 bum, da-da-da, da-da-da. Then you're gonna do great.
We're going to do beautiful things together.
What games were you playing?
We're all here for our love of the game.
Counter Strike?
At least I am.
Okay, then you're gonna do bad.
Ready for this dance? I lead.
This is your champion.
Let us see.
It's like Overwatch, no?
You truly are.
But third person? I tried a few times, but I said, what the fuck is this game, man? I left. All right.
Eyes on the prize.
Let's go there.
Wait a second. Nope. Woohoo! Bring the party!
I wonder what we'll find over
Like
there.
you should play Deadlock for 50 hours for what? To play good? Ah, okay.
Right. Now this is what I'm talking about.
I played similar games.
My weapon's enhanced. Take the upgrade when you
I think it's not too different than logic of Overwatch. Two teams there and you fight for objective.
Oh, it's on. First blood.
No, I don't like this kind of games. Dota or...
Good. Inside the next ring.
What I think is that it's similar to Overwatch, Marvel Rivals, but in a different way.
I'm crafting.
Shotgun bolt here. Gold.
Ooh,
We've got a new kill leader. I love this place.
Shops open. For VIP.
let's go! Should I try
Mama's got you now.
Sniper and Mozambique? Wow, there is no light ammo.
Fights on you. I marked the next ring on your map. Meet you there, mates.
Warning. Ring movement in progress.
Well done, mates. We're inside the next ring. You can all calm down a bit. Chill, mates. Just
I would
trapped.
say let's see here if
Keeping
there's someone
watch
here.
If they sneak up on us, it ain't my fault.
Seems like nobody has been here.
Jump drive in position. Oh yeah, ultimate's ready. Ah, we've got a new kill leader. I love this
I have a
place.
question. Do I sound very old person like this? Hello, my friends. How's it going?
Care package coming down. Helpful if you need gear or a top up.
That sucks, man. I thought I sound like 81 years old. I'm so lagging. Someone did us, you know? What is this?
Jump drive activated. Ah, fancy that. I gained a level. Add an upgrade too, and we've got
Oh
a
my god.
party.
Are they DDoSing? Motherfuckers?
Enhanced a weapon. Not bad work for a field kit.
Loba, can we ult here as well?
We could go over there.
An
Just a
enhanced
thought.
weapon.
And then we
You're
go
not
to this
me.
side.
Jump drive in position. I found a little something extra. Jump drive set.
Oh my god. Slow motion. I can't loot. My god. This is so annoying.
Jump drive set.
Shield battery here.
Optics here. I'm here.
Okay.
Power booster. Mind if I take it?
Optics here. Mid-range.
Thanks. There's someone over there.
Hey mates, let's go OT.
Shooting.
I'm cover for you, mates. That's a baddie. That's an enemy shield. Enemy taken down.
Charge!
There's a baddie.
Field leader. Interesting. Throwing jump drive. Frag out.
Look, what the fuck is this?
Rival right here. Let's go there. Champion unseated.
After
I
squads
see
are
we're
gone,
a cup of tea.
probably went home to complain about it on the feed. Reloading.
I don't like this.
Enemy taken down. Enemy down.
Looks like you know how to handle yourself.
Round 2. Beginning ring.
Bro, what is this lobby?
Let's do some shopping. I'm feeling power booster.
That way.
Replicator incoming.
This seems like silver lobby or bronze lobby.
I'm healing up. I see an enemy over there.
I told you, he's stupid.
My weapon's enhanced. Take the upgrade where you can. I hurt them. Got them.
Thermite out.
Enemy down.
Toss in the frag.
Enemy shield low. Reload.
Down, down, down.
Enemy down.
Dead.
Right. That was the last one in the squad. Max level. I'm so very proud of me. Feeling upgraded and ready to take on the world. Or a few blonkers, at least.
Shotgun bolt here. Gold tier.
I think he footsteps.
Watching here.
Dropship here. Let's give them a warm welcome. Jump drive set.
Let's go.
We're already inside the next ring. Good strategizing. There's someone here. Taking fire. Recharging my shields.
Putting up some amped cover. Shot a cargo
Another
bot.
squad's attacking. Ooh, care package on the way. Sounds fast. You are coming home with me tonight. Got them.
Peacekeeper here.
Reloading. I want that. Shotgun bolt here. Gold's here. Charging shield. It'll increase fire rate for shotguns. Healing.
We'll try to get this care package.
Amped cover.
Enemy there. Taking fire. I cracked an enemy shield. I hurt them. Recharging my shield.
Which one, bro?
Enemy. Good. There.
I see.
Enemy's shield broke. Shooting some blonkers.
I hit him.
He looks solo.
Round 3. Beginning ring countdown.
Good. Inside the next ring. Tossing a frag. Cracked an enemy's shield. Reloading.
Man,
Last one
I
in the squad.
swear this is so weird.
Ooh, impressive. And I'm not easily impressed. Opponent there. We have a replicator coming in. There.
Took down an enemy.
Mama's got a brand new bag.
Frag out.
Enemy. Good. There. Never
They're
mind.
resin, man.
Blonkers shooting at me. I cracked an enemy's shield. Charging my
They
shield.
rest.
Tossing jump drive.
It's a full team. I think we shouldn't push that.
Enemy spotted. Over there. Getting shot at.
Enemy's shield broke.
I'm dead.
Charging my shield. Getting shot at.
Taking damage.
Attention. Delivering care package.
Shooting some blonkers.
Here or a top up.
Reloading. There's one, mates.
No, but someone just came to you, like half HP.
Firing. And opponent. Far. Open up shop and shut him down.
I need a endless ammo thing, man. My ammo is finishing for G7. Is there any anything, Yachi? Is there an unlimited ammo thing?
Got an amp here. Overflow healer.
No.
Hell of a time to go shopping.
Attention. Delivering replicator.
There's a Valkyrie somewhere here.
Be dead now. Getting shot at.
Enemy shield broken.
Enemy's shield.
Nearby. Bag it.
Where?
I need help.
Getting shot at. Amped cover for you, mates. 45 seconds. Ring ain't far at all. Move it or lose it. Charging my shields.
Come on. I still need you. Ring close in 30. Nearly there though.
Let's regroup.
Meet up here.
Damn it. I'm hit. Throwing jump drive. Aye, another squad is here. Look alive. Another squad's attacking.
Stop twiddling your thumbs and regroup here.
Last member of that team. Sorry. Recharging my shields.
Amped cover for you, mates. Crap, I'm
I downed GB.
Lane, let's get you back on your
They
feet,
won't push.
giving my shields a recharge.
Reloading.
Getting shot at.
Fire for the opponent. I need
Right side here.
In my freaking face.
Enemy here.
We took out
Someone
the kill
there.
leader, yeah? Right, keep it up.
I killed an opponent. Enemy shield broken.
Got one squad left. 1 minute. Pretty close. Plenty of time. I'm cover for you, mate.
Healing.
Last guy is here.
Ring's closing in 45. It's close. We can go now or kill. That's a baddie. Throwing an evac tower.
There's someone over there. Victor, rival here. Taking shots here. Nice. Pin down.
1 HP.
Opponent is. Don't revive me. It's not safe.
GG's.
You are the Apex Champions.
GG's. It was a good game, man. Holy moly. La 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 la. La 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 la. Going for a cup of tea. One moment, please. Her neyse durulmuyor ki bu yollar. Hello.
Hello, babies.
Life is worthless if we do not study its decay.
Don't you worry about me. Rampart can handle herself.
Oh, master, bro, what the fuck?
A noob master. Yes, sir.
Hey, it's all right to be afraid.
Oh, and a champion.
Oh my god.
Oh,
I'm in
and
the
a
last
champion.
round,
God
bro.
damn it.
Oh, what the fuck? I think you're cheating, bro. I don't know.
Huh?
I think you're cheating, bro.
Why?
I don't know, bro. It is so feeling, bro.
Oh my god.
Sure.
If you think I'm cheating, I think all the world is cheating. I'm the most legend player in every games. I swear, like nobody would say I'm cheating in any game. Because I suck.
I could use a weapon.
I'll be back.
We are inside the next ring, and that's positive results.
cover.
Getting shot.
Enemy shields broke.
Coming.
He's resting, he's resting.
Another squad coming in. I'm cover for you, mate. Enemy shield broken.
Charging. That kill signaled the end of that. My mission is clear.
Let's be dying to, bro.
Nah, you good. Up and at 'em.
I got you, man.
Hey, you follow them now. Right, getting my cover out of here.
Crack the subject.
Gogglebot shot.
I'm out of shotgun ammo.
Shotgun ammo here. Found an extended energy mag.
Adding another
Gold.
gas trap. I can use that.
Energy ammo here.
Thank you. Contact.
And cover's getting snapped up.
I'm up. Broke the shield now.
Adding another gas trap.
Regroup on me, you plonkus.
Lighting my shield up a bit.
Thermite out. Octane out.
Recharging my shields.
Shot at.
Shatter the subject's shield. Trap set. And waiting.
Just stay here,
There's
guys.
a Loba.
Getting my cover out of here.
Enemy shield broke.
Heads up, mates. Another squad coming in.
Subject gas trap deployed.
Charging my shields.
I have shattered the subject's shield. Subject down.
Nice. You cooking. You cooking.
Getting shot at. Tossing thermite.
Healing up. Hold on.
Crack the subject.
Enhanced. Now that's a beaut.
Barrel stabilizer here. Level 2.
I'm down.
Fuck me, man.
Broke their shield now.
Kausik, you have to go. You have to go. Go.
Let's go here, mates.
Go, man. Go. Just.
My bad. Sorry, guys.
I don't know, bro. This was not so good.
I was scanned.
There was everything low, bro. Everyone was low, bro.
Yeah. No, I didn't do anything. Kausik, I think you can res me. Don't go too far. Maybe come here.
That way.
Gas deployed. I still see everything.
Oh, this Caustic, I don't know. He uses ult, man, bro. I don't know. I think he's brain dead, bro.
He had to fart.
Along with her life.
Bro,
Oh, you reckon it?
I think if you res me, you're gonna come faster than Caustic.
Yeah, I come to you, bro.
No, there's no time.
They're coming, rush. They're rushing.
You run, lifeline.
I'm coming in.
You are fortunate.
Oh
we are
my
on the same
god.
team.
He got me.
Charging my
Mwah.
shield.
Are you good? Lifeline.
I'm good, bro.
Where did you see them? Okay, we're good now. We're good. We just set up. No, how do you say? Reset and fight.
Target spotted. There.
And now he's fighting solo. Oh, nice.
Enhanced a weapon. Not bad work for a field kit.
Incoming replicator. What a marvel of science.
Throwing Arc Star. Delivering frag.
Throwing thermite.
Throwing thermite.
Stinger coming in.
Waiting.
Giving my shields a recharge.
Oh my god, I'm dead.
We lost one. Just us now, mate.
I got you.
Bro, run, no, run.
Are they close?
Rest.
Free. Remember that.
Then we run. No, they come. Run.
Some ass cover.
Guys!
There's a void in your heart.
Bro, this caustic, what? Oh!
I don't know, man. He was not from this world.
Not GG, bro. GG's.
GG's.
Contact with enemy. I'm out of heavy ammo. Gracias. It's not safe.
Ba-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Hello, my friends.
From the shop. Can't say I don't work for my dogs.
Hello, bro.
I'm sorry, I said friends, but I'm very old.
Go make some faces unrecognizable.
You sound very young. How old are you?
72, bro.
72?
Yeah, man.
God, you are older than me.
This is your champion. Better find me before I find you.
It's a good morning for you, eh?
Yes. I decided to play Apex after 20 years.
Yes, I'm the jump master. Knew it would fall to me eventually. Desperate. Let's show these fools. Ha-ha! Bring the fun.
How many cold wars have you lived, bro?
I'm sorry, my ears are not hearing good. Can you say again?
How many world wars have you lived?
Use your eyes. Enemy landed close by.
All of them.
Nice. All of them. Oh, Magis fighting alone.
Down an egg. Killing and drilling. Down.
The guys are on me. I knocked one, my own 5-5.
I have a sniper on me, man.
Just you and me now.
They're resin now.
I got an enhanced weapon and a smile on my face.
Frag out.
Round 1. Beginning ring countdown.
Got a ways to go for the next ring. We can scan this area.
Some flunkers shooting at me. Rings close.
Cannot slide. What the?
Thermite out. I'm down.
Close the door.
You can't
Oh my
die on
God.
me. Who's gonna
I'm
keep
gonna
this
use my shield.
beautiful
Don't worry.
place running?
Don't go far away.
Where the fuck?
Stay.
I'm saying, but we are kind of fucked. Can you do one more shield or no?
Yes. Oh, I died, but they are burning. GG's.
GG's.
God damn it, man! I'm so slow, sorry!
Upgrade chosen. Who's ready to die? Optics here. Mid-range.
Hello, my friends, good morning!
Oh, bro.
Are they the same guys? Are they the same guys? My previous teammates? Ah, no. Bexis Blanco, your stream looks so clear. What PC do you have? Well, it's not about PC. You can get good image quality if you set your stream settings well. If you are struggling, I can help you about this. Just don't worry.
Introducing your champion.
What PC do you have?
I don't relish the title. I relish the kill.
Are you winning, guys?
Yes!
Nice! Let's win this together for this old man.
Lava over
He
there.
deserves a win.
Hope you're ready. Let's do this, brothers.
I feel very young when I play Apex. Maxi, what PC do you have?
Optics here. Mid-range.
I need it.
If you tell me what PC you have, what graphic card you have, or CPU, I can help you about setting your
Nicking my design and
stream
calling it
application
nemesis.
properly.
Evil.
Round one. Beginning ring countdown.
Next ring's not very close.
Should I go? I don't know, man.
The ring's closing.
Backpack here.
We're not
Level
close.
2.
Uh, 5,000, 600.
Ring's not far.
I think you're good. You're good. You will also have good quality, and it all also depends. Are you streaming on YouTube or Twitch?
There is a new kill leader.
Hey, we got
Please, guys, don't forget to like the stream. At least it's gonna help a lot. If you tell me which platform you are about to stream, I will let you know.
Jumping.
Okay, Twitch. The problem is with Twitch, bro. You can get better image quality if you stream on YouTube, and if you have 2K monitor. Okay. So Twitch sucks because it is limiting your resolution, your bitrate. So if you are trying to stream on YouTube, you will get better resolution if you have a 2K monitor, okay? And if you stream on 2K. So what I'm doing now is stream on 2K, and it makes my stream more clear, even clear. If I do this on Twitch, it's gonna be very blurry. And also very important that your streamer's application is set correctly. You need to select properly your GPU, your graphic card. Your graphic card is good to stream. 3050 is enough to get good quality. They are leaving on the zipline.
OT, let's go.
I miss all my shots. That's why I love YouTube more than Twitch. You have much more room to improve your stream. Oh shit! You good?
They're pushing him.
Come to me, come, come, come! They're stupid, they're stupid!
Took down an enemy.
I'm getting shot by other team as well. My one team.
Charging my shields.
What is happening, man? That's a different team.
There's one mate. Shield broke. Reloading.
Guys, we gotta go. We gotta go.
Getting shot at. Enemy's sheep. Got a bad one over there. Tossing up some amped cover.
Jump tower here.
I'm gonna kill this GB. I'm gonna kill this GB.
I'm staying with you.
What? Did he leave already?
Yep.
Really?
Yeah, yeah.
No!
No, they're good.
GB's low.
Enemy's shield broke. Reloading.
Target spotted. Healing up. Eyes are open though.
Staging is clear, guys. I got people right there, but staging is clear.
I probably die here.
Enemy over there.
Round 2.
Crap! I'm down.
Fuck me, man. There are so many teams. I'm gonna let them kill me so you can craft, guys. My bad, sorry.
I can make a portal, bro.
Well done, mates. Time to watch.
Nah.
Okay. We'll come.
Surprise.
Blanco, do you speak Espanol?
Patching myself up.
Attention. There is
Enemy over there. He's not even over there.
Bolar calle. They're gonna come. We can kill them this time.
Target spotted.
Yep, I'm here. I'm back. Don't ask questions.
Hostile spotted.
1 minute. Things close. Plenty of time to jam.
Strike out.
Guys, one more team's coming from behind. We have to focus.
Okay, okay.
Here.
Look at that Blanca over there. No idea
Go
they're
for it,
about
go
to
for it.
die.
Oh, okay, okay, we
Rings
can stay
closing
and
in
kill them.
45.
Okay.
It's close. We can go now. or
Okay,
we-
I think they went to left side.
Bumped.
They evac covered, but
They're
they
in
didn't
mid.
come.
Spotted.
Okay.
Okay, I'm with you. Where should we push?
Rings closing in 30. It ain't far. If you're scared, well, too late.
¿Habláis español?
Optics here. Mid-range.
Dibs. Ten seconds. Rings close. We got this.
Got a heal. Taking a knee.
We're all outside the ring and it's moving. This is madness.
Enemy over there.
I have no cells if you have, guys.
Hostile over there.
Hey, one. Just one. I can give you shields.
Shield battery here.
Dibs.
Taking fire, brothers.
Firing.
Feel that high, yeah? Enemy's shield broke.
Oh
Charging
my god.
shields.
What a Phoenix? I have Phoenix, bro.
Here.
He might kill me.
Hostile over there.
Got it.
Hostile spotted.
Got him.
Tossing up some amp cover.
Giving my shield a recharge.
My cover. Tossing up some amp cover.
Down to him?
Enemy taken down. Enemy's shield broke. Damaged one.
I can make a portal, guys.
Need to recharge my shield.
They are resi now. I think we chill. If you want, we can portal to this. We have a.
That way.
Let's go for this red box. I think gotta be here.
Regroup there, mates.
We use a portal to escape.
Backing up my cover.
I can place it when we will run. So for now, I can buy leg. Go.
Amp cover for you, mates.
Hemlock here. Elite.
Come on, mate. Put some speed on and meet here. Putting up some amp cover.
Good last one. Good last one.
Care package over there. Grenade out.
Push here.
1 minute. Ring's pretty close.
Tossing up some amp cover. Upgraded and ready to take them for a test run. Putting up some amp cover. 45 seconds. Ring the hard door. Move. Right. Getting my
Yeah,
cover out of
leaving.
here.
Extended heavy mag here. It's gold.
Target spotted.
Rings closing in 30. It ain't far. If you're scared, well,
Enemy shield cracked.
Reloading.
Recharging shield. Backpack here.
Hostile
Level
spotted.
3.
backing up my cover.
Placing the portal.
Damage one.
One down.
Set the portal.
Oxstar out.
10 seconds to the ring. Close it. Need to recharge my shield.
I made portal closer.
Taking damage
Then
over here. Making contact with enemy. Frag out. That's us.
Healing up. Eyes are open though.
Hey, I'm getting shot. Oh, I'm down.
Ping.
Jump already.
Contact with them. Going to train. I'm down.
Heal enough, hold on.
They're pushing me.
Don't revive me yet. Save yourself.
Got a replicator coming in, mates. Close ring in 60 seconds. Fans are going this way. Yeah, don't sweat it. I saved the day. Got their banner. 45 seconds. Things close. Got our mate's banner.
I have more birds inside, yep.
Rings nearby, and I got 30 seconds on the clock. Easy. Respawn beacon deployed. Here enough. Hold on. Tossing up some amps cover. Come on, mate. Put some speed on and meet here. Hey, slow. Making the edge is trickier when we've got bad balance.
10 seconds to the ring.
Come forth. Need to go here.
This way sound good?
Now for the right. Getting shot at.
I'm back in action, boys. Let's do this, brother.
Right. Get myself on. Got the key.
Octanes down.
Down.
They're resi.
Don't shield out. Come on, my brother. Jimmy's got your back. All right.
They got me. Nice shot, though.
Come on, Jimmy.
I'm down. Hostile close.
GG's.
You can't outrun the all-train. I got some bad guys here.
Round 5.
Let's go.
Good job, brother. Hello, my friends. Good morning. I'll be back, guys. One moment.
Time to turn crap into gold.
Battery on station, ready for anything. Hell, everything. Pushing off the ledge. Am I out with making messes? That's my specialty.
This is your champion.
When this is over, they're all gonna know the name. Gibraltar.
Guess I'm the jump master. Knew it would fall to me eventually. Desperation. This ain't too bad of a spot. And if we die, blame our mate over there. Let's show these fools why their parents never loved them.
Go, go, go!
Nothing does me better than an LMG. Here we go. Don't be afraid to fight. I won't tell. Peacekeeper here.
Already the next ring. The fun can come to us.
Oh, they're looking real pretty now.
Who needs 3x optic? Doris!
Optics here.
Optics
Close
here.
range.
Mid-range.
Attention.
Thank you. About 1,000 of these and you'll pay off half your repair tab.
Should we go with the flatline Spitfire?
Medkit here.
I need a Spitfire if you see. This old man needs a Spitfire!
Warning. Still in progress.
Hey, we're already inside the next ring.
Someone's already been there. Place is a bit battered.
New kill leader appointed.
This is new kill leader making things messy.
Love me an LMG.
Package.
Care package coming down.
Tossing up some amp cover.
Enhance my weapon. Seems stronger, doesn't it? Care package over there.
There goes my cover, mates.
Oh my god! I'll get this harvester. You don't have to come. Don't risk yourself.
I'm upgraded and better than ever. Got a full OT.
They were next to you, Doris. They were somewhere here.
Take that back. Let's check out over there, mates.
Yeah.
There's one, mates.
Broken enemy shield. Reloading. Target down.
Nice. I'll scan this and fly.
Spotted an enemy.
Don't die, I'm coming.
Shield recharge. Little faster.
Pints on you. Mark the next ring on your map.
Keep taking, I'm gonna land on them.
Alert 5, ready to scorch for burn.
Yes, yes, yes. Oh no. Trying to know where are they? Oh, they did. Okay, I'm gonna hold this high ground.
Airstrike coming down. Enemies firing at me.
Putting up some amp cover.
I've been down.
This one's free. Remember.
Oh, I got you, my friends. This old man got you. Yes.
Okay, I've got you. Can't you be more careful with the merchandise? Extended heavy mag here. Cold. Optics here. Mid-range. Shield battery here.
You are amazing, guys.
Here's the gate for any crashes.
Can you drop your ult somewhere here, love, please? Maybe here, high
Could
ground.
have something good here. Hey mate, I found a survey beacon.
All that plan in place.
Affirmative.
I'm cover for you, mate.
Let's make a mess over there.
Let's check out over there, mates.
Ooh, we can get also the high ground.
Hey mates, let's go OT.
If you have Valkyrie ult, you can get the high ground.
Amped cover's getting packed up.
Let's play, Dory.
Knock some amped cover. Hold on, mates, we'll enjoy the next. Void nexus there, mates. Let's use it.
Healing up.
Back to the void nexus you go, mate.
Replicator being delivered.
Putting up some amped cover. This one's free. Remember that.
Take the ult, Dory, if you can.
Void nexus.
Wait, I'm using a Phoenix kit. Amped cover for you, mates.
They won't come.
Backing up my cover.
Okay, I'm gonna scan again zone.
We should go there. I got over.
Ring console here. Anyone fancy a leg up?
New kill leader appointed. Attention, the champion is remaining.
Points on you. Mark the next ring on your map.
We definitely need the high ground, man. High ground.
Yeah, let's check out over there, mates.
Where are they? Yeah, here.
Enemy OT.
Over here.
They have caustic ults.
Bats are out.
Big shot at. Hold on. Recharging shield.
Amped cover for you, mates. Giving my shields a recharge.
Down, down, down.
Took down an enemy. Reloading. There's one, mates.
Die, bitch.
Get my cover out of here. Putting up some amped cover.
Where are the others?
Here's the Blanca.
Alert 5. Valkyrie on station. We are go for sweet. Already inside the next ring.
Shield recharging.
See that? Just hit your enemy. Fucking idiot. Enemy shield. OD, let's go.
Fox 3. Sending it home.
The guy, this guy is slow.
Opening fire. Reloading.
Attention, delivering care package.
You're amazing.
Bogey 10. Padlocked abandoned.
Right, get my cover out of here.
Enemy shield.
Coming.
Bandit got the power.
Charging my shields.
That was fun.
These guys are cooking.
Spotted an enemy there.
Better take a bullet.
Enemy out there.
I hate to feel so upset, but I'm just so bloody happy.
Care package over there. So mark over there. Big shot at. Hold on. Recharging shield.
Max level. Watching here.
Bogey in sight. Black shields on that bandit.
Reloading.
Holy moly.
We finished off the last enemy. Show the hole.
It's you. Okay.
30 repeater here.
In the endless, what's called? Endless thing, so I can have endless ammo for my Kramer.
Nice. Safe to touch down. We're already in the next ring.
Charging my
I'm
shield.
dead.
Putting up some amped cover. Getting into the void nexus. Easy first. Spotted out there.
Love you.
Firing. Fire. Enemy shield cracked. Reloading. Using med. Hey, we're fighting the third party.
Putting up some amped cover. Enemy shield broke. Enemy spotted.
Look out, grenade.
Tossing
Shield
up
battery
star.
here.
Ah, they are resi, man.
Shield battery here.
Amped cover for you, mates.
If we knock one of these guys, can we go up, please, with your Q? She's gonna pick now.
Amped cover for you, mates. Charging my shields.
Throwing frag. Care package being delivered. Thermite grenade.
Inside the next ring.
They don't pick. Motherfuckers.
Coming in.
Tore my void nexus down. Jealousy is a powerful motivator.
Reloading. Care package over there. Fox 3. I got ready.
Charging my shields. Amped cover for you, mates.
Under fire.
Got 'em all.
Round 4.
Recharging shield.
They'll have to come.
Watching over there.
Pressing.
One mate.
Reloading. Got
Putting up
another
some amped
bandit.
cover.
Over the
Attention. Delivering replicator.
fire spotted. Replicator coming down.
Bogey there. Enemy shield broke. Enemy OD.
Got one. Enemy down. Enemy there.
Regroup on me, you
Bogey
floaters.
in sight.
Giving my shields a recharge.
Reloading. Killed an enemy. 45 to go.
Putting up some amped cover.
I suck.
Opening fire. Hold on. Down to 10 seconds. Rings just a little further. Crack shields on.
I suck.
Reloading.
Target over there.
10 seconds.
Enemy shield
Rings
cracked.
close. Now we got this.
Wait, target there.
Tossing up some amped cover.
Outside the range. Fun happens inside.
Getting my cover out of here.
We shouldn't go there.
Heads up, mates. Another squad coming in.
Broken enemy shield. Another bogey.
Fuck me.
I'm down.
Oh my god! Why I couldn't pick the zip line? Oh, so bad. So fucking bad. Guys, focus the guy on behind you. There's a bungalow. I fell to the lava. Otherwise I wouldn't die, but there was only a Bangalore.
Only 2 enemy squads left. Oh, they aren't boring. 60 seconds to ring close.
Nobody panic, but we got bandits out there. Enemy firing at me. Hold on, I just got banned.
Hey, sorry, I'll be bathroom break.
Stay down again. Opening fire. Reloading.
Looting here.
Breaking through at the gate. Enemy shield cracked. Over here, got a target. Broken enemy shield. Ring closing in 10. It's close. Got an enemy here. We got another squad
I'm out of
attacking
heavy
us.
ammo.
Box 3, dumping the pods. Got another bandit.
In progress.
We're outside the ring. Move, left. Taking fire. Hold on. Recharge shield.
I need more ammo. These babies are starving.
Firing! Enemy out there! Forget that. Bogey there.
I'm cover for you, mates.
Take the fire. Reloading. Frag out. Box 3, dumping the pod.
Focus here.
Enemy here. Use your eyes. Enemy left on your side.
Bogey here.
Enemy taken down.
Fuck!
Final round.
He was holding door. He's holding door, motherfucker. Yes.
You really thought you belonged in here with professionals. You misguided sod. Enemy hit.
Bitch! Oh my god. That was crazy, man. So smart by Valkyrie. Hello, guys. Hello. Didn't estaba esto?
And hide. I'll enjoy doing the seeking.
Me ain't afraid of much, but losing, that would be a drag.
Live today, die tomorrow. Better than the other way around.
This is your champion.
No such thing as auto-aim, ladies.
I'm the jump master. Yeah, could be worse. Could be someone else.
I'm the jump master.
Go, go, go!
My favorite kind of falling hazard.
I'm jump master. Here we go, mates. Let's get
I was
messy.
peeing. Okay, team here. I'll land to the sniper.
Let's check out over there, mates.
Oh my god, they have before us. Fuck me. Left and res me.
On your feet. Lifelines got your back.
Big shot at. I'm down. Heads up. You're following us now, alright? Getting help. Boy, that's fun. Yes, spotted an enemy.
Amp cover's getting backed up. Enemy shield broke. Tossing up some amp cover. Charging my shields. Putting up some amp cover. This one's free. Remember that. Killed a flanker. Reloading. Using a Phoenix kit.
Thanks for the shield.
Well done, mates. We're inside it. This one's free. Remember that.
Hold on, recharging shields.
I kill this motherfucker and come back.
Got a mate's banner. Another squad coming in. Enemy shield. Oh! Down.
Getting healthy. Down.
No, the door. Yes. Yes.
Not used to taking bodies off the ground. I'm out of light ammo.
Take it.
Light ammo here. Give me a sec. Healing.
Big shot.
Energy ammo here.
We need to go. We are.
Getting attacked by another squad.
They have ult. Apologies. I have no ammo.
Healing up. Hold on.
And the sniper. And then we will bring a lifeline here.
Yo, respawn beacon there.
Firing.
Getting attacked by another squad.
Stop it, motherfuckers!
Charging my shields.
I will go for a sniper.
Big shot at.
Enhanced a weapon. Not bad work for a field kit. Give me a sec. Healing.
Got a fallback set.
Got nothing, no ammo.
Putting up some backpack here. Level 3. Ha! New kill leader. Bet they used a Rampart for them shots.
I've been downed.
Using a void nexus. Really hope this one leads to a pub. Some flockers shooting at me. Tossing up some amped cover.
Okay.
You don't have to let this stop.
Oh, they were so fast.
Rise again.
Evo harvester here.
Over there. I got the key.
Had to run here from the shop. Can't say I don't work for my dosh. There's only one.
Let's shine so bright we blind them.
Better copy. Copy, come here. Copy.
Introducing your champion.
Copy, come here. Copy. Hello, my friends. Oh no! Where are we going?
This looks like a good place for a funeral.
Here we go. Hang tight.
Bring the party!
There's one team. We are so late, man.
No.
Over there. Just a thought.
I'll slap
there's one
them
guy
all.
here.
I'll
Just
slap
one, just
them
one.
all.
Fuck the solo guy. Enemy touchdown. Near me. Let's clear him.
Look at that plonker over there. No idea they're about to die.
Getting shot at. Opening fire. Reloading.
Enemy shield cracked.
Enemy down. Need to recharge my shields.
Shield.
You went for the revive?
Throwing thermite.
Oh.
I have only supper, guys.
Kill the plonker. 1 minute. In close.
It's on the stairs.
Time to jam. Reload. Killing it. Hold on.
The problem is I have only snappers. He was full.
Evo harvesters are now available.
Macaque.
I can almost feel the upgrade coursing through me.
Yep, he's dead. Copy, Ben. Toma. Copy. Copy, Ben. Toma. Copy. Hello, good morning. I'm not sure if we should try something else, man. Maybe play Fuse or
Not a bad start.
GB. What should we play?
Now romp with me. I'm ready for a match.
Ready to dive? Ooh, what if we ditch the rockets?
Introducing your champion.
All right, mates. We could try here or die somewhere else. No pressure.
Go, my friends, go.
Every decision counts.
This guy is sleeping.
Move it. Let's
Wake
explore
up,
that way.
old man.
Yeah, bring the party.
faster! Booyah!
Nothing does me better than an elephant. First blood. You can't handle the heat, stay out of the fire pit.
Sweet. This baby's looking even deadlier.
All aboard!
Found an extended energy mag. Level 3.
What are you waiting for? Invitation? Come on, get in your recon body. Go faster!
Backpack here. Level 2.
New kill leader appointed.
Sweet. This baby's looking even deadlier.
Go on, watch out. 45 seconds. Rings close.
Evo harvester here. Shields are a bad time. Rings around the corner and we've got 30 seconds. Rápido!
Ring console here. Anyone fancy a leg up?
La 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 la.
Fights on you. I'll mark the next ring on your map.
Nice. Weapons in hand. Must go faster.
Weapon's looking real pretty now.
Hitting the eject button.
Hey mates, ring console OT. Ring the party! That's good. I gained a level. Add an upgrade too, and we've got a Rampart. Got me a new upgrade. Can't wait to give it a spin.
Sure are split up. Let's hurry up and regroup.
Extended heavy mag here. Level 2.
Faster, faster, faster.
Looks like a care package is coming in. Big things in that.
Laser sight here. Level 3.
Chill mates, just crafted.
Hey, we got a care package here.
I need
Ah!
All right. Do you need a shotgun bolt?
Shotgun bolt here. Level 3. Yeah,
Already
I
got
can
it,
use that.
thank you.
All right.
extra supplies here. Firepower is key.
Must go faster. Yeah!
Got my weapon in hand. Let's do this. Let's explore this way.
Got it.
That cancel that, mates. Need a sec.
Gracias.
Nope.
Hold on. Crafting.
They got the crib. Yeah.
Yo, took down a cargo bot. Got a vault key. These should come in handy. There's a loot vault over. Must go faster.
Oh yes, yes, yes.
Thanks.
Let's go. Nah.
Optics here. Close range.
Go, Octane, go, go, go. More lifeline comes. Yes. Jump. All for us. Open the door. Open the door. She's coming. I'm closing the door. I'm closing the door. Yes.
This way sound good? Amped cover's getting packed up.
Gonna snap them from here.
Hey, mates, let's go deep.
My weapons in hand and ready.
3 kills!
And your next champion is right here.
Putting up some amped cover.
Which one? In the open?
Mates, that's one sad enemy over there.
Yeah, focus here.
Enemy spotted. Taking some damage. Amped
Close,
cover.
close, 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 close.
Charging Broker's been there.
You follow them now, alright?
Reloading.
We're all inside this ring.
I heard them. I know I did.
Replicator being delivered.
Got a replicator.
There was a fuse. Where she is?
You run.
Where? I hear.
There's a fool, mates.
Hey,
Behind that car.
Fuck my aim.
you like that? Huh?
He's one.
Want some more?
Pushing.
Yeah, got him.
Down
Did
one.
he? Okay, nice.
I know.
Faster, faster, faster!
I think they have a GB.
Hit the ejector seat.
Yeah, they do. They do.
Thermite out. Thermite out. Oxtar out.
Idiot. Useless.
Try another squad.
Broke the shield now.
Enemy down. Class.
Oh, that's got a kick. Arc star. Grenade out.
Charging my shields.
Oh shit, that's bad.
This is my part. Getting
Come
attacked
me.
by another squad. Took down an enemy. Charging my shields. Getting attacked by another squad.
I hit him.
Shot at. Got another enemy down.
Tossing down my halo.
I down one.
Attack this area.
I gotta heal up. There are 3 teams.
Half the squads are left. Well done, mates. We're inside the next ring. Getting attacked by another squad. Enemy down. Heads up, mates. Another squad coming in. I'm double for you, mates.
What the fuck is this? We have to res lifeline. We need her. We need her.
So many people, man.
Some damage. Hit enough. Hold on. This one's free.
I can't. I
Remember
can't.
that.
No way!
You didn't fight hard.
My God, man! 10 or 20 grenade hit me. My ass.
Brothers, let's move this way. P2020 here.
Shit, bro.
This is.
All right, got an upgrade. Hostile spotted. Target over there. Contact.
Heads up, we're not alone.
Contact with target. Target spotted.
Heads up, we're not alone. Someone else is over there.
This guy is following Pathfinder's movements, man.
Let's go over there.
He knows where he goes. He has strong aim assist. Oh my god, he's dead.
Let's see what's up over there.
Man, I don't know how many people shoot us from there. Like so many teams.
Care package over there. Someone's out there.
Enemy over there.
Jump pad here.
Yo, I
Yeah,
got the max
Correo,
level.
still alive.
Trust
This
me.
motherfucker hit me as well.
Max level.
Watch this spot.
Check your right side. There is someone on your right side, brother. Wow, looks like LGS, ALGS. ¿Qué tal, señores? ¿Cómo estáis? Baram 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 bam. Ba-da-ba-bum, ba-da-ba-bum, ba-dum-bum.
Not gonna lie, I'm pretty good at this. Okay, I do lie, but not this time.
Okay, I do lie, but not this time.
Hey, let's go already.
Go, 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 my friends!
If I ever let you down, it's probably because I grew a bit tired of carrying you.
Let's go, bro!
Introducing your champion.
Avaloni! I know this guy. He was my teammate before. Previous games.
This looks like a good place for a funeral.
Let's go, young man, let's go!
All right, mates, we could try here or die somewhere else. No pressure.
I love this part. Ole!
Spanish, bro, Spanish! ¿Hablas español? Sí. ¿De qué parte de España eres? De Madrid.
Right. Now this is what I'm talking about.
Está
Got
arriba.
one a bit too close for comfort. Shield broke. Some flunkers shooting at me. Putting up some amped cover. Enemy shield broke. Tossing out star. Amped cover's getting packed up.
Down that one.
¡Cabrones!
You'll never become a legend.
¡Chúpame los huevos, hijo de
Where the
puta!
sun don't shine.
Shake a leg. We've only got a minute. And the ring's right there.
¿Crees que podéis con nosotros?
Enhanced a weapon. Not bad work for a field kit.
Chupa, chupa, hijo de la gran puta.
Upgraded and ready to take them for a test drive.
Cállate y ponte a chupar, canto de cabrón.
¿Qué acento es ese? ¿De qué parte? O sea, ese acento a qué zona pertenece?
Puerto Rico, bro.
Ok.
Chupa, chupa, hijo de la gran puta.
10 seconds. Enemy on me.
¡Tocadísimo!
Reloading.
¡Han volado! ¡Han volado!
One over there.
Ring's closing.
¡Hijo de puta!
Closed door over there.
Hay gente, hay gente, hay gente, hay gente.
Crack the bad dude shield. We've got trouble. I think this place needs a little more me.
Chicos, tengo 30 balas.
Need energy ammo.
Charging up my shields. Heads up, got one here.
Enemy shield broke.
Bam goes the boozle. Yo, cracked an enemy shield.
Thermite out. Pathetic.
¡Me han dado! ¡Me han dado!
Mira, canto de cabrón.
Have to be your end. You chose this fate.
Si me revivís, por favor. Hay dos equipos. Está al lado, está al lado. Mira, revíveme. Tú puedes, tú puedes.
¡Chupa, canto de cabrón!
Se reviven dentro. Dentro de la casa.
¡Ey! ¡Hijos de puta! ¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué hace, hijo de la gran puta? Te reviento la puerta. Te lo quema,
No te la puerta, no te la puerta.
¡Chupa, canto de
chupa,
cabrón!
hostia, cabrón.
¡Mamañema!
Well done, mates. Time to coach. Yeah, I'm here. I'm back. Don't ask questions.
¡Está todo chupado!
Ultimate's ready to... Rápido, rápido. Well, bam. Enemy positions marked on your map. Just a sec. Crafting it up.
¡Soy la parca, cabrones! Mira, papi.
Vamos, vamos, vamos.
Más rápido, canto de cabrón. Chupa, chupa, vaya, chupa, hijo de la
sois-
puta.
¿Sois de Puerto Rico?
Claro, cabrón.
¿Hablas bien? O sea, haces bien el acento.
Ahora aquí yo no soy Yoshi, pero te voy a meter el huevo.
No suenas como... como si no tuvieras acento de España. Vamos, vamos, vamos.
Who's over there? Tossing up some amp cover.
Weapon make me look superior. I bet it does.
Got
Shots
one.
fired,
A bit
and
too
they're
close for comfort.
Using the decoy escape. Another decoy. I know I'm not the decoy. Enemy shield cracked.
Watch it. Baddie landed near me.
Round 2. Beginning ring countdown.
Half the squad's left. Better put on your dancing shoes. We're headed to win. Heads up, mates. Another squad coming in. They got me. Oh, took down an enemy.
Okay.
Oh my god, too much people here, hijo de
Tío,
puta.
¿por qué no venís conmigo? Hay otro equipo donde morí yo, cuidado.
Tú vas a revivir mañana, canto de cabrón.
Sí, ese si le matas es mi kill.
Queda uno, queda uno.
Vamos, Mirage.
One, just one, bro.
Our ring's closing in one.
There is other team.
Okay,
other
one more team. Just go, go, go.
Revive me, bro.
Yeah, you can revive.
Oh my god.
No, one more team, bro.
Come. Oh, bro, what the fuck?
GG. All right. I mean, we were together. Why don't you come to get the high ground, man? Just so slow. You know what? I swear. Until Platinum, the matches were like bronze. Seems like matchmaking, skill-based matchmaking is changed. It's so easy, man. I don't know how it's gonna be the experience, ranked experience solo queue on Diamond, but I think it's easier than before. I kind of enjoy this. Like,
Era lo que yo quería, papi, desde un principio.
cállate, hostia, cállate, joder.
¡Oh!
¿Qué pasa? Otra vez.
Es el destino, brother.
Let's go, my friends, let's go.
Esta la ganamos, bro.
Si hubieras venido conmigo al... ¿Veis ese edificio alto? Como si fuera una pene. Estuviéramos bien ahí. Yo estuve solo. Maté a dos, vino otro equipo a matarme. Deberíais haber venido conmigo.
Que yo estaba matando a otro, brother.
Ya.
Había dos equipos.
Let's get this over with. Shop open soon and I haven't had lunch yet.
Can't we do the blah 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 after? I'm ready now.
¿Cuántos años tengo, crees?
Yeah, I'm ready for this. I'm so ready for this. I am extremely ready for this.
¿Crees que soy mayor que 51? Oh, tengo más de 51 years old.
Your champion.
I am really good at this. You should be too.
Right.
No
I'm done
answer?
now. Time to cause some
All
mischief.
right.
Let's show these ring the party.
I gotta live stream this. Look at this move.
Oh, I need the sniper.
Headed over there. Use your eyes.
Oye, que lootea el negro.
Blanca's shooting at me.
Broken enemy shield. Enemy down. recharge. Got one here.
I'm coming, got no weapon.
Wait, how do I know I'm not
Enhanced. Ah, now that's a beaut.
And they're hit. Down.
No, bro. Me he quedado sin balas,
Ping,
tío.
ping,
Me
ping,
cago
ping,
en
ping.
la puta.
Putting up some amped cover.
There's one right here.
Giving my shields a recharge.
Round 1. Beginning ring countdown.
Inside the next ring. Ready for the muzzle. Yo, wait. What's this
Fuck,
remind
man.
you of?
Le dejé una bala y me robó. Alguien cogió las balas del alternator. Me quedé sin balas.
I need a weapon. Recharging shield. Send in a decoy. Making contact here. Using the decoy escape.
Run!
Getting shot at.
Give me a sec. Healing. This is the best bloody day ever! Wait.
Die, bitch!
Qué buena.
Frag out.
Enemy down.
Qué buena, cabrón.
Got me a new upgrade.
Te reviento, cabrón!
Frag out. My shields to recharge.
Reload!
Yeah, got a care package coming in.
Follow me, we're gonna rest.
Yo, respawn beacon there. Getting shot at.
Get to bamboozling.
Inside, inside.
There's a cool mix. Got a bad one over there.
That way.
They rest.
Cargo box shot. Charging my shields.
I'm gonna craft.
Putting up some cover. Woohoo! This is the best bloody day ever! Enemy shield broke. Reloading.
Just a sec. Crafting it up. I have the battery. Someone's getting his squad back. Got one here.
Come back, man. Come back.
Amped cover for you, mates.
That's so champion, huh?
Found an enemy.
Enemy
Close.
spotted.
Any closer? I'd be behind them.
Ah! Dead boss here. It's go time. Ha! Yo, yo, yo.
Toss in the frag.
Where's the team?
Some clunkers shooting at me. Enemy taken down. Giving my shields a recharge. Enemy down.
Got one spotted. It's Duke's o'clock. I need shield. Faster, faster, faster! Watch it, airspace.
sniper ammo.
Bam! There goes the booze hole dirt.
I'm low on ammo. Gotta fix that.
Guys, no ammo.
We got trouble.
I could use some sniper ammo if you want to
Follow
help
me,
out.
follow me.
Meet me here, mates. Attack here. You can do it. Actually, just pretend you're me. Or Sheila.
Target's right in front of me.
Shot at. Faster, faster, faster.
Being attacked by another squad. Enemy shield go.
Charging up my shields.
Fuck! No! One left, one, come on!
Hit the ejector seat.
It's Mirage! Octane here!
So clock.
Charging shields. Come on, come on.
No bamboozle. I'm pretty sure this means you're thinking pretty very well.
Cracked an enemy shield.
That's it, man!
And that's all of them. Good job, compadre. Hells yeah. Half the squad are toast.
Need sniper ammo.
Replicator coming in.
I'm low on ammo. Gotta fix that.
We're not in that tower. Give him my shields a recharge.
I'm out of sniper ammo.
Taking fire.
Target spotted.
Bring the fire.
Charging shields. Come on, come on.
Ooh, care package!
Proud of me. Ha! I'm upgraded and better than ever.
Faster, faster, faster. Shield battery here.
Ultimate accelerant here.
Cancel that.
Rings
Shield
close. One more
shield
minute.
battery here.
I need that.
I'll take it. Charging my shields.
I need optics for an assault rifle. Care package over there.
Energy ammo. Shotgun
45
bolt
seconds till
here.
ring
Level
closes
3.
to us. Don't make me carry you. Must go faster. Hey!
Rings close. About 30 seconds. Let's turn it up, mates.
Throwing jump pad.
Good job!
Here. No need to thank me. Optics here.
Right. Got a
Sniper.
fix on the next one. Check your map. Stop
Mid-range.
twiddling your thumbs and regroup. Here. Dev, got a mobile respawn beacon here, mates.
Charging up my shields.
We could go over there. Just a thought. If I'm wrong, you can kill me. Yeah! Bring the party!
Rings closing. I like pushing limits as much as the next guy, but we gotta go.
Care package being delivered.
Let's check out over there,
Care
mates.
package. Sweet.
Jump pad here. Bloody piece of junk, that is.
It's go time.
Jose, don't you have shield?
Care package over there. Let's
Heal,
get
bro,
on that.
heal.
We've got an Evo harvester here. Shot a cargo bomb.
Taking him out with a decoy. Survey beacon over there.
Found a vault key.
Thank you. Must go.
Come here. Jose, come.
Shield cell here.
Jose doesn't want to heal.
Check your map. And you're
Got a
welcome.
full OT.
They're fighting.
Let's attack here. Poor kids don't even know what's coming. Enemy shield drop. Shoot me some flunkers. Reloading.
Come back. Help to me.
Let's go here, mates.
Get shot at. Hit the ejector seat. Charging up.
Target's right in front of me.
Go down.
Knock down one more.
I'm down. Got trouble here. I got some bad guys here.
Rings closing in 45. It's close. You can go now or still here. I'm pumped. You're great. Well done, mates. Time
No,
to
they
punch.
ulted. Take this.
Rings close. Got 30. Using an enemy relay. Let's make a mess of these fools. I'm trying to shoot at me. Cracked an enemy's shield.
No. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. Holy moly!
Shield battery here.
Alright, it wasn't bad. Hello, my friends! Hello!
Hello, brother!
You sound so old, man! Dun 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 dun.
What did you like? You said I was sounding old.
Definitely. But you sound even older than I am, brother. What the fuck is wrong with your voice, my man? I'm good. Have you been to a football stadium? Yelling, I am 81 years old gamer, man. Holy schmoly, brother. I'm slow, but I'm experienced player. Are you playing from a fucking, what is it, like a chair for disabled persons or whatever? No, actually I'm good, but I'm old, yes. I wish to wear a joke that you are. Shit, bro. Not 51, 81. You're gonna carry just basing on your tremendous life experience, I guess. How do we say baston? Bastion? Baston? Show us, youngsters, how it's done!
Slides of heaven, this time we.
Yes, sir, I will do that, don't worry. Miss, I believe you, brother. Yes, sir. You have my faith and trust and everything.
Crack that egg shield.
Oi, enemy landed nearby. Pull up your pants.
Shooting at me.
Kill him, I'll kill him. I'm killing them all.
Drill's hunting for it.
Hadouken! Fuck him up, brother! I got you.
We're all in stock.
Ne haber Numancım?
And keep the healing coming.
Nice!
Leader, we got this.
Feeling
Really?
upgraded and ready to take on the world. What a few blonkers.
Is it called Vulcan Stick? Come on, man.
That guy
really?
dropped, took 9-9, and I took Spitfire, and yeah.
That
he
sucks,
lost.
man.
He was
That's
just
me actually.
fucking
That's
great.
me actually. Every time I live
He's
first.
he's so fucking lost, man. He didn't hit a single fucking bullet and died.
That's me all the time, dying like that. I swear, all the time. What am I?
Yeah, like 9-9. Like, I mean, it's so good, but with no attachments and 20 ammo, I'm not sure.
Who said R9 is good, man?
All the ALJS
Controllers, yes. Aim assisters, yes. Otherwise, it sucks, man. I mean, it doesn't
I
have...
personally never liked it. I would prefer alternator to it like
Exactly.
any fucking day of the week.
It's good. Oh my god. You're not. We're not with you.
The next ring.
No, I'm not. I'm far away. I'm still grading my shit, bro. I'm coming.
I told you I'm slow. I'm trying. Where?
We could go. Sure.
What? Inside.
Spotted.
One guy crawled upstairs.
I got him.
Nice, sir. Another one is cracked.
That's my jam. Drinks on me. Enemy down.
I'm coming.
Enemy shield broke. Charging my shield.
Destroyed.
That was the last one in the squad.
Not till we
Oh, but strong.
I got a vault key.
I think I'm gonna act like I'm an old person. I like it.
Get here.
I mean, I'm already old, but not that old.
Shotgun bolt here.
Have you ever played the game like Darkest Dungeon was called? It's like a 2D kind of like I don't know, like dungeon crawler.
Yes. I might
with
be.
an amazing fucking voice lines and shit.
Yes, I know what you mean.
Yeah, it's just I just like these phrases still like pop up in my mind. They're just so good. Annihilated. Destroyed. That voice was amazing. The guy who made the voiceover actually died a couple of years ago. It was a yeah.
Man, that sucks.
Yep.
Can you type its name? I think I know which one you mean.
Darkest Dungeon. Darkest Dungeon.
Darkest Dungeon.
It's an amazing fucking game. There's no scope.
I'm kicking them. I'm
Oh,
kicking
they're
their ass.
coming. They're zipping to you, I guess, or what is it? What was it?
No,
I'm gonna ball
they're
them.
trying to upgrade their weapons. Oh my god, that guy was crazy.
Feeling upgraded and ready to take on the world. Or a few blankers at least. Putting up some amped
The
cover.
guy on the roof is crazy.
Giving my shields a recharge.
Arguero, be careful. This guy's crazy. On the roof, on the roof.
Enemy shield broke.
Oh, behind me!
Down.
Behind.
No.
Careful. Can you
Trying
ult
to
and
cover.
res me? Can you ult and res me, please? So we can reset?
We are fucked.
Yeah, we have to regroup again. We have to go to Maggie again.
Yeah, if you can. You can actually just
Oh,
both
no.
die and I will craft you instantly. Nice. Just die.
I'm sorry, man. Sandwiched.
And it's okay, bro. Should I res you just here? Like,
Yes, of course!
why the fuck not, brother?
Of course!
Welcome back.
Let's fuck them all now!
Juice!
You don't have to act, bro. You are so ugly, you know that?
Bathroom break.
Charging my shields, cousins. Replicators coming in.
Respawn beacon deployed.
Reloaded.
I'm kinda annoying them while they're trying to push. The left guys are pushing right guys. And there's even more people now, I guess.
Thermite out.
Fuck his ass!
Enemy taken out.
Other squad's still alive.
I'm here. Bottomless
Monarchy of
batteries.
the Salvonian way. Enemy
In the shotgun.
30 here.
drilling right through yous.
Rings closing in 1.
Reloaded. Here's a stick. Recharging my shields.
Do they have lights? I need some.
Yeah, come.
Light ammo here.
There's a battery
take that
thing.
back.
Battery, you know.
Yeah, grab.
There's
No D.
Someone close to me, really close.
Enemy spotted. Tossing a frag.
Enemy spotted.
No one hides being shot at.
Ooh. I got fucked, bros. I need help.
Where?
I don't have any bats, so it takes ages for me to heal.
Rings closing and we ain't in it.
Coming to help!
Watching the spot.
Pull the trigger. Wrecking balls off the chain. Open wide.
Enemy down.
Hey, bitch!
Killed an egg.
No one can third party the old man!
The sniper bitch just got away though.
Oh, now I need some
Oh, where's
light.
forget the name of this fucking girl.
Yeah. The murciélago. I'm Prince Charming. What do you talk about? I believe in you.
She's rezzing.
They got that anyway.
Oh, whatever.
Hold on.
We all have respawn beacons. We suck.
Oh yeah. I have almost 600 light ammo.
I can take some. I have 100.
I'll give you some. You get some.
Come get some.
Come get some.
The guy is very funny. Yeah, he is.
Replicator on its way down.
Not a bit average, eh?
Oh, I wish we had a lifeline so she could heal us, but unfortunately we don't have.
Wait, we can't heal outside the zone though.
I know, I'm just kidding.
Got a minute before she closes.
I usually say this when Loba players never ult. I say, I wish we had Loba.
200 ammo.
Thank you.
45 seconds.
Shield battery here. Thank you.
Hostile spotted.
There gotta be a team on the left side.
Okay. I'm gonna be careful so that the guys can still come from the back
Amped cover for you.
out of the zone.
Spotted an egg there. Another
Fox here.
Your mates got one there.
Holy shit! She climbed up on me, I didn't hear her. Oh my fucking lord.
Come back, bro. You were alone there,
Champions
buddy.
out. How the mighty have fallen.
Checking around.
Stop our teammates' banner.
Tossing up some amped cover.
I wasn't gonna do anything bad, but she curled up on me and took me in the asshole.
Cracked an enemy's shield.
This annoying team is still here on the left side.
Amped cover's getting backed up.
Fuck.
Taking fire.
I mean,
Nova,
like,
nice.
we have a pretty holdable position, just more fences, I guess.
We took out the kill leader, yeah? Keep it up. Getting shot at. I'm cover for you, mates.
Listen up, Octanes 4 coming in.
Getting attacked by another squad.
Boys, get your asses in the ring.
All these Hemlock motherfuckers, bro.
Getting shot at. Replicator.
Motherfucker, let me go!
Full Evo cash here.
Girls ripping through.
Where?
She went there. But like, I mean, we shouldn't go there. We have zone. We have good position. They will have to come anyway.
Yeah.
Let's just hold the place where I'm at. Rising. Cover.
Cover for you, mates. Rings close. For 30 seconds.
Leave it, leave it, leave it.
Give it. Grenade, heads up. Thermite out. 10 seconds. I'm cover for you, mates.
Fuck me, fuck me, fuck me. Alright, it was fun, guys.
Just rising.
Charging my shields, cuzzy.
We shouldn't have done that, but it's okay. I had to leave, so I played risky. Sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. I'm still alive somehow. Not
Dude,
for long.
I
though.
swear I did like 400 damage on them. No joke.
I believe you, bro.
Charging my shields, cuzzy.
Nice try.
GG though.
GG's. Alright, that's it for today, my friends. I'll see you later. It's lunchtime, so let's see what we can cook to have lunch. When are we gonna play, handsome prince, charming prince? We gotta play sometimes. Take care of your brother. Take care of you.